Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this window you will find Rapid TV. Here in this page of app info we click on for stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe.